If you're considering retiring in Thailand, you're in for a treat. The non-immigrant OA visa is your golden ticket, but there are some crucial steps and requirements you need to be aware of. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the non-immigrant OA visa itself. This visa is specifically designed for retirees aged 50 and above who want to spend their golden years in the land of smiles. It allows you to stay in Thailand for up to 1 year, and the best part? You can renew it annually. But before you get too excited, let's cover the financial requirements, which are often the make or break factor. To qualify for the OA visa, you need to demonstrate a stable financial situation. You have two options. Either maintain a bank account with at least 800,000 Thai baht, which is roughly 24,000 US dollars, or show a monthly income of at least 65,000 baht, about 2,000 US dollars. If you choose the bank account route, make sure the funds have been in your account for at least 2 months before applying. This is a common pitfall. Many applicants don't realize that the money needs to be seasoned. Now, here's where it gets tricky. You must also provide proof of your financial status. This means bank statements and possibly a letter from your bank. Ensure these documents are in English or Thai. If they're not, you'll need to get them translated. This is another mistake that can lead to a denial, missing or improperly formatted documents. Once you've got your finances sorted, you'll need to gather a few other documents: a valid passport, a medical certificate proving you're in good health, and a police clearance certificate from your home country. The police clearance is often overlooked, but it's essential. It shows that you have no criminal record, which is a requirement for the visa. Now, let's talk about the application process. You can apply at a Thai embassy or consulate in your home country, or even in Thailand if you're already there on a different visa. Make sure you fill out the application form accurately. Any discrepancies can lead to delays or outright denial. Once your application is submitted, you'll wait for approval, which can take anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks. If approved, you'll receive your visa, allowing you to enter Thailand. But don't get too comfortable just yet. You'll need to report your address to the immigration office within 24 hours of your arrival. Now, let's discuss extensions. If you want to stay longer than a year, you can apply for an extension. You'll need to provide updated financial documents and proof of your continued eligibility. Remember, the same financial requirements apply, so keep your bank statements and income proof up to date. Avoid these 3 mistakes to ensure your visa application goes smoothly. First, don't underestimate the importance of financial documentation. Make sure everything is accurate and complete. Second, don't forget the police clearance. It's a must-have. And finally, be mindful of the application timeline. Submit your documents well in advance to avoid any last-minute issues. By following these steps and avoiding common pitfalls, you'll be well on your way to enjoying a peaceful retirement in Thailand. Embrace the culture, the food, and the beautiful landscapes. It's a journey worth taking.